morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, today's lesson is about express addition. So, now let's move. So, the objective, the objective of today's lesson is that by the end of the video, you will be able to express addition. So, now look at this math problem. So, we have 2 plus 9 equals, so you can pause the video and think. So the answer is 11. Very good. Now let's move. So look at this symbol. This is a plus. It means what? It means addition. So what does addition mean? It means adding another piece of information to what you have just said or written. For example, Ali plays football plus he writes books. As you see here, we have what? We have two sentences and we have plus. Plus, here we have and. It means what? It means we have to add sentence 1 with the sentence 2. So the answer equals Ali plays football and writes books. We can say Ali plays football and he writes books, but we don't need to write he because he refers to Ali, so no need to repeat. Let's move to another example. We have Brahim traveled to Italy plus he traveled to Greece. So we have here, look at the word between two sentences. It is then. So the answer equals Brahim traveled to Italy and then to Greece. We don't need to repeat Brahim and the verb traveled. Very good. Next, the source of the information is irrelevant plus the information need not be confidential. So we have here, we have plus. Plus here we can use in addition, moreover, furthermore, and besides. They are all the same. So the answer is the source of the information is irrelevant. Full stop. Moreover, comma, the information need not be confidential. So here we can use moreover or in addition or furthermore or besides. But don't forget that before you write one of these words, you have what? You have to use comma and full stop. So the word should be between period and a comma. Very good. Next example is she sings beautifully plus she plays the flute and piano. So we have here, we have two sentences. We have she sings beautifully and she plays the flute and piano. So the answer is she sings beautifully and also plays the flute and piano. So we use also here to link the two sentences. Good. They own a house in France plus they own a villa in Spain. So we have here plus here is as well as. So the answer is they own a house in France as well as a villa in Spain. So So before I give the answer, you can pause the video to think. I think it's clear. So we don't need to repeat the own house. No need to repeat. Very good. Now let's move to the next example. Lubna was busy with her professional career, plus she manages her family life. So the word that we are going to use here is along with the plus verb plus ing. That means the verb that comes after along with should be in gerund. Equals, along with being busy with her professional career, Lubna manages her family life. So here we have so you see we have removed the subject Lubna, and the verb was turned out to be what? To be infinitive or bare infinitive, which is to be. Then we add what? We add along with and the verb to be. We add what? We add ing to become gerund form. So along with being busy with her professional career, Lubna manages her family life. Very good. Now let's move. The system was complicated. The system was complicated. Plus, it was ineffective. So equals. Now you can pause the video to think. So the answer is the system was not only complicated but also ineffective. Very good. Next, he teaches in a school, plus he gives private lessons too. So the words are not only but as well. So equals, he not only teaches in a school but he gives private lessons as well. So not only we put it before the main verb, okay, or after the pronoun, and but in between or between the two sentences, and as well in the place or of to. Okay, so we remove to and we add as well. Good. Next, Muhammad is fond of dogs, plus Miriam is fond of dogs. So the answer is both Muhammad and Miriam are fond of dogs. So we have the same sentences. We have is fond of dogs, but we have two different people. So two different people. We have Muhammad and Miriam. So the answer is both Muhammad and Miriam are fond of dogs. Next, you add 1 clove of garlic, plus you add 2 cloves of garlic. So the word here, the words we have here is to link is either or. So the answer is you add either 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Good. Next, Fuad didn't go to the meeting, plus Anas didn't go to the meeting. So here we have the keywords, or I can say the target words are neither and nor. Neither nor. Look at here. Look at the two sentences. We have the same activity, but we have different people. We have Fuad and Anas. So the answer is, so we can pause the video, okay, before we give the answer. So the answer is neither Fuad nor Anas went to the meeting. It's the same thing with either or. They are the same. And also with the both and. Next, Hassan doesn't speak Italian, plus Hassan doesn't write Italian. So here we have the same person, but we have two different actions or two different activities. So the answer is you can pause the video. Hassan neither speaks nor writes Italian. Very good. Now let's move. I have been fortunate to find the career that I love. Plus, I have been fortunate to find a career that I get well paid for it. So here we have the target word or the target expression of addition is what's more. So the answer is I have been fortunate to find a career that I love, and what's more, I get well paid for it. Very good. What's more here is like in addition, moreover, furthermore, besides, also. Good. So task number 1. Complete the sentences using the appropriate words from the list below. We have not only, but also. This is one expression of addition. We have moreover, also. We know that moreover, also are the same, like in addition, furthermore, and besides, along with either or. So let's start. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So I have here 5 sentences. So now you can pause the video and open your notebook and do the exercise. So let's start with number 1. So we have number 1, we have being serious in her work. She also showed respect and self-esteem. Look at here, we have being, we have the ing. We have ing. So the answer is, you know that we have a preposition plus verb plus ing. So find the expression of addition that contains the preposition. So I will give you the answer. So the answer can be along with. Along with being serious in her work, she also showed respect and self-esteem. Very good. Now let's move to number 2. Sorry. So Helen Keller lectured to support the blind. We have period or full stop. Then we have comma. She wrote numerous books and articles. So here we have what? We have sentence 1, sentence 2. So we need what? We need to add an expression of addition. So we have here period and we have full stop. So the answer is also. Helen Keller lectured to support the blind, full stop. Also, comma, she wrote numerous books and articles. We can say also or moreover or furthermore or besides. All these answers are correct. Very good. Now let's move to number 3. Helen Keller was a woman of luminous intelligence, high ambition, and great accomplishment. We have period and we have comma. She devoted her life to helping others. So it's like example in sentence number 2. We have period and we have comma. So the answer is, because we used also, we can use also, but we can use moreover. Moreover or also or besides or furthermore or in addition are correct in this sentence because we have full stop and period. Number 4, she's the kind of person you love, hate. So we have here to add 2 words to express addition. So here we have the options. We have not only, but also, or either, or. So what? You can pause the video and think. So the answer is she's the kind of person you either love or hate. Very good. And the last example is Shakespeare was a writer and actor. So I think the answer is clear, is crystal clear. So the answer is Shakespeare was not only a writer but also an actor or an actor. Very good. Now let's take it to another level. Task number 2. Link the following sentences using the words given. Number 1. Educated women have a big influence on society. They contribute to the welfare of their families. So now you have to use moreover. Moreover. So moreover should be between the two sentences, but don't forget to add full stop and a comma. Now let's move to number 2. Educated women look after their houses. They work outside their homes. We have to use also. As I said, also is like moreover. The last one is he enjoys tennis. His wife enjoys tennis. Both and. So now you can pause the video and do the exercise. So let's start with number 1. We have to use moreover. So moreover should be between the two sentences. So the answer is educated women have a big influence on society. Period or full stop. Moreover, comma, they contribute to the welfare of their families. Very good. Next sentence. Educated women look after their houses. Full stop. They also work outside their homes. As you say, also can put it before the main verb or after the pronoun, or we can put it after the period. You can see also educated women look after their houses. Full stop. Also, comma, they work outside their homes. Like moreover, they are the same. Very good. And the last one is both he and his wife enjoy tennis. Both he and his wife enjoy tennis. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you like it. So see you next time in a new video. So thank you for watching.